Okay, I'm working on the rover today, but I need to get to a really hard to reach bolt to put it back in, and I've got a hack or a technique you could use. This is the nut I need to put on. Of course, here's the socket. If I turn it upside down, it falls right out, which I'm gonna have to come down and screw it in, and there's not enough room for my hand. So what I've done is I've taken a neodymium magnet, like this guy right here, and I actually put two of them, but I've put them in the bottom of my socket here. And so now when I put this bolt in there, or nut, it just grabs it. So now it doesn't fall out. And that'll let me poke it down into the engine and then get it going like finger tight before I start wrenching on it. And then when I yank on it, it will come back out. Anyway, just a quick tip. Hope this helps. If you need a magnet, I'll try to put a link in the description.